Hey, hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are. Dr. Pablo here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're coming back, welcome back. Tomorrow's the big day. We're going to have a webinar that's going to go into the ins and outs. I'm going to get out my original manual from 20 years ago, and it was a book that people bought that went over all the things you need to get right to win the battle against cancer. We're updating that book with new and unbelievable information. But you're going to be the first one to hear about it because I'm just going to go through the index and tell you what I've learned in 20 years, tell you what to do to get it right. And then it's the little things that make a big difference to winning or losing. And we all want to be winners in this game. So look forward to seeing you all tomorrow live, 3 p.m., depending on where you are in the world. That might be 6 a.m. in Australia. So please check online YouTube, register. Only 30 people can register. After that, it's blocked because I'm going to answer every single question that you give me. And you hear the saying, there's no such thing as a bad question. Yeah, there are stupid questions, yes. But I want them because they're stupid to you because you don't understand what is the fact. And they're really, really important to somebody else who's been told something more stupider from somebody else. Whatever the question is, let's get it out there and let's get the correct answer. 20 years of helping people get cancer therapies right. I want to pass my knowledge on to you. It's countdown for me. I'm retiring soon. And I want to have more successes than ever before in 2022. We have 2 more spots left here at Atlantis before Christmas. Everything will be booked out then. So you need to act quickly if you're coming here. If you're doing the home program, let's get it right. And if you're just in the research place and going to spend 6 months researching, well, it's a good place to start. But cancer's like a fire in your house. Don't wait too long before it starts to burn down and get out of control. So tomorrow, 3 p.m. deadline, we're going to cover everything that's important that can save somebody's life with cancer. If you have a friend with cancer, you have a mother or father, daughter, son, uncle, auntie, friend of a friend, pass this on to them today. Update them tomorrow morning. Register, register, register. You must get this information as soon as possible to them so they do not miss out on this once in a lifetime, possibly 2-hour presentation that once it's finished, it goes down and nobody else will see it except you. Because I'm going to say some really, really important things that they don't want you to know. So please, pass it on today. Don't wait till tomorrow, because by tomorrow it's going to be too late. The seats are going to be gone. There's no charge. You don't have to worry about a fee. I just want to help everybody I can. God bless. Bye for now, and happy Sabbath.